In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting links in Zoho Meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a join link directly from Zoho Meeting, how to share it with participants, and how to create the same type of link from Zoho Calendar if that fits your workflow better. Start by signing in to your Zoho Meeting account. From the main dashboard, go to Meetings and select Schedule Meeting. You'll see fields for your meeting title or topic, the date and time, and the expected duration. Fill those in clearly so your participants know what to expect. If you already know who's attending, you can add participant emails here, though this is optional. Take a moment to confirm your time zone and double-check the start time, especially if your team is spread across different regions. When everything looks right, click Save. As soon as the meeting is scheduled, Zoho Meeting generates two things: a unique join link and a 10-digit meeting key. You can copy either one and share it with your participants. People can join with a single click using the link, or they can go to the Zoho Meeting Join page and enter the meeting key. The link is usually the simplest option for attendees, but both work. If you added participant emails during scheduling, Zoho automatically sends email invitations that include the join link and the meeting key. If you didn't add emails, or if you want to share the link in other places, open the meeting details page and copy the link. You can paste it into a message, a calendar event, or a team chat. If your meeting has already started and you need more people to join, you can still invite them from the live session by copying the link or sending invites directly through the meeting interface. A quick tip: it's a good idea to test the link yourself or in a private window to make sure it opens as expected, especially if you're sending it to a large group. You can also create a Zoho meeting link from Zoho Calendar. Open Zoho Calendar and create a new event, or edit an existing one. Add the event title, date, time, and attendee emails. Then click Add Conferencing and choose Zoho Meeting. Save the event and confirm sending invites. Zoho will automatically create a meeting session and place the join link inside the calendar event and in the invitation email. Attendees will receive the link in their calendar invite, and you'll also find the session listed under My Meetings in Zoho Meeting.